Welcome back to Newsware channel. This time we will show how to install WCMS. First, open your control panel and let's start create MySQL database using MySQL database wizard. The first step, it's better you open Notepad and write a note so you don't forget later with your database name and etc. Now fill database name. After that, click next. And number 2 step is create a database user and password. And don't forget to write down in the notepad. So once again, you will don't forget later. After you fill all requirement, you can write down in the notepad, and after that, uh, just click button create a user and give all privilege in this step, and you can click next. Okay, you have completed create database requirement for install WCMS. Go to File Manager and select where you want to install WHCMS. For example, I will put my WHCMS in this folder or domain name. Okay, I already uploaded, but if you want to upload, just doing like this, click button upload and then select file and search or find where is you save WHCMS archive. After upload, you can extract. Wait until extracting process done for all. After that, open WHCMS location followed by install path. In the first step, you will pop out license agreement and you can click agree. Number second, you must change configuration.php new to just configuration.php. This requirement by WHCMS. And recheck again. After successfully, you can begin installation. Fill all database requirement that you wrote down in the notepad before and clicks continue and wait the loading until all progress have done. Now, in the next step, we can write down first name, last name, email, username, password, and confirm password to make all requirement by WHMCS. After all done, you can click complete setup button, and then the installation have finished, but you must delete install directory to prevent irresponsible people to modification your WMCS. Important step, you can copy CronJob to your cPanel or whatever method you use to make CronJob. Okay, this configuration we need every 5 minutes to execute CronJob by WMCS. After all steps completed, now we can check our installation and login using our username and password. Our installation of WHMCS is successfully. We can try to open our client page or front end to see it works or not. That's all tutorial how to install WMHCS.